Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and continuing with the series of various AI tools which you can use for your day-to-day activities. I bring it to you today, Magic Eraser from Magic Studios. Now with this you can remove unwanted background or objects in your photographs in a jiffy, and the good part is you don't even need to sign up and it's free to use. Now, before I can proceed with the video, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you're going to get most of the updates. So let's move ahead and understand how to use Magic Eraser. So you see it's our demo is shown over here. So let me give you one myself. So you upload your picture or you drag and drop your picture over here. I'll just upload it over here. The magic eraser JPEG. Okay, so just one random photograph which I've clicked over here. You can zoom in and zoom out over here and adjust your brush size. Okay, here you can adjust your brush size, make it the default. What you need to do now, let's say we want, I don't want this lady here. I'll increase the brush size over here. I don't want this lady in the picture, so what I'm going to do is just select her and erase. Within a few seconds she'll be out and you can see she's out. Now let's try and do the same. Okay, now I don't want this bike also over here, so I'm going to remove this bike also from the image. So just selecting over here. Okay, and here we go. So you see you can't make out of any changes. Let's try with the car. Let's increase the brush size a little. Okay, so here is the car. So you see when the car is gone, a little marks are left out over here. So what I can do is I try to use it over here again and say erase. So you see now you can't make out. Now your image is free from that person, the bike, the car. You can just go ahead and download your image over here. Low resolution. So if you want a high resolution image or if you want to do bulk editing and etc. and some more tools, you can upgrade to the pro version, and this is the charges for that. So it's quite simple, no brainer, no sign up required. I hope that you like this particular video. Do share this across, and if you know similar tools, do share it in the comment section so that we can share it across to more people. So before winding up, a humble request: if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would request you to do so now. Until the next video, take care and be safe.